Taylor's gonna try to be a man and eat another one. I'm dying, man.
Here we go.
Dude, my mouth feels like it's bleeding.
Taylor, get it. Oh my God.
He's the man. He's the man.
Very not.
Dude, your forehead's getting red.
Your whole face is getting red. Your forehead.
How you feeling, bud?
It's not us.
In there.
Hey, my nose is still running.
Oh, you fucker. Just let it out, man. Just let it out.
These are the best faces in the world. Give me $9 each. I'll pay for everything. You got 10?
She's dying.
Don't stop the tape. I'm over here with another one. Yeah, I'm over there too.
Alright, now we're going to Dwayne.
Hey, drink. Is that another one?
This Jigaboo's doing another one. Hey, Steven's actually laughing.
Oh my God. Keep tuning it.
I know, that's why I was out there.
Oh my God.
His nose is just sweating.
Oh my God. Cut it off. Get some water, dog. I still feel a flame from his first one.
Taylor is dying. I think he might throw up.
Hey, stop.
Oh,